Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Dritananda Kustayanti with ID student double 3210049. I'm in class double 3.6a.02. So today I make video about final project syntax. Table of content, number 1, choose the topic. So I choose div and surface structure. And number 2, solve all problems and explain tree diagram and deep structure. Number 1, deep structure. According to Chomsky, 1957 until 1965, deep structure is a sentence that already exists and made by people can be reserved to a basic sentence and its number is a limited. The pattern of the basic sentence is a single clause, declarative, positive, and transitive. According to Chomsky, 1965, page 15 until 16, transformational generative is a system of rules. He explained that the main idea of all transformational generative is that there is a distinction between deep structure and surface structure, which is determined by the application of recursions in a certain formal way, also called grammatical transformations on the lowest basic project. Furthermore, the syntactic component must generate a deep structure and a surface structure for each sentence and must have a relationship between them. The difference is that and must have a relationship between the two. This difference also relates to sentences that have a surface structure but a different deep structure, such as passive sentence and active sentence. That is, in active and passive sentence, the surface structure is different, but the internal structure is the same. Deep structure must fulfill a number of conditions. Number 1, they verify semantic representation first. Second, they receive grammatical transformations that map them into well-formed surface structure without any further introductions of lexical items. Thirdly, they fulfill the formal standard established by the base rule, specifically the contextual characteristics of lexical entries define how lexical items can be placed into such structures, and the rules of the categorical component describe the grammatical functions and component order. A sentence contains both a surface structure and a deep structure. According to Prasad, 2009, page 104, the basic sentence is the deep structure, while the surface structure is the modified structure. Simple, assertive, declarative, and aggressive in form characterize the deep structure. The meaning of the sentence can be understood by a native speaker because of its abstract structure. It explains what he meant to say in that sentence. Surface structure. According to Chomsky, 1969, page 65 until 66, phonological rules convert surface structure into phonetic representation. Semantic rules convert post-lexical structures into semantic representations. The post-lexical structure are referred to as deep structures in these formulations. The speaker's actual usage of it in communications is shown by the surface structure. We can conclude that the sentence surface structure represents its phonetic form, while the deep structure conveys the sentence semantic material. In Ratner et al., 1967, page 2032, Wingfield and Titone given an explanation of the difference between a sentence surface structure and deep structure. The words that are actually heard, spoken, or read the specific phrases selected to express the meaning of what is meant to be said represents the surface structure of phrase. To understand the deep structure of the sentence or the meaning behind the utterance, the listener must decode the surface structure. Some sentence pairs share a deep structure but have different surface structures. The two sentences would be one example. The boy threw the ball, and the ball was thrown by the boy. The surface structures are clearly varied based on the individual process utilized. Based on the theory, process 2009, note that a language grammar is composed of two components, the lexicon of the categorical component. The purpose of the categorical component is to produce a set of abstract pre-lexical structures that are lexicalized by adding relevant words from the language in question. Deep structures are the output structures created in this way. These provide input for the various movement rules that make up the transformational parts of grammar. Deep structure becomes surface structure according to these criteria. Example, deep and surface structure. Number one, surface. Noah gave the book. Deep. Noah gave the book to someone. What type of book Noah gave? Deep structure number one. This deep structure adds a proportional phrase to someone to the sentence, indicating the recipient of the book. These transformations help to clarify the relationships between the subject and the direct object. Deep structure number two. This deep structure is a question that inquires about the type of book Noah gave. The verb did is used to form the questions and the noun phrase what type of book provides the context of the inquiry. Number two, surprise. He fed her a cat food. Deep. He gave her cat food. Number two, he provided her with cat food. Deep structure number one. The verb give is used to indicate the actions of providing food to someone. This deep structure maintains the same meaning as the surface structure, but with a different verb choice. Deep structure number two. The verb provided is used to emphasize the act of giving food, and the prepositional phrase with cat food further clarifies the type of food being given. This deep structure provides additional semantic detail about the actions. The last number three, surface. Mom asked me to clean the house every day. Deep. I clean the house every day because mom asks me. Why does mom ask me to clean the house every day? Deep structure number one. This deep structure transforms the sentence into a passive construction, indicating that the subject I is performing the action of cleaning the house. The subordinate clause, because mom asked me, provides the reason for this action. Deep structure number two. This deep structure is a question that inquires about the reason behind mom asking the speaker to clean the house every day. The verb thus is used to from the questions and the subordinate clause. Mom asks me to clean the house every day. Provide the content for the inquiry. Number 2, solve all problems and explain using the tree diagram and deep structure. Number 1, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Sentence consists NP and PP. NP consists of determiner, adjective, noun. Determining is the adjective is quick, adjective is brown, noun is fox. PP consists of verb, adverbial phrase, noun. Verb is jumps, adverbial phrase, adverb, adverb is over. Noun consists of determiner, adjective, noun. Determiner is the, adjective is lazy, noun is the. Deep structure. Number 1, how far the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Number 2, what kind of the lazy dog that jumped over the quick brown fox. Number 2, tree diagram. The girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. Sentence consists of NP and VP. NP consists of NP and RP. NP consists of determiner and noun. Determinant is the, noun is girl. RP consists of sentence. Sentence consists of RP and VP. RP is who. VP consists of VP and NP. VP consists of auxiliary and verb ing. Auxiliary is, verb ing is wearing. VP NP consists of determinant article, adjective, noun. Determiner article is a, adjective is red, noun is dress. PP consists of auxiliary and verb. Auxiliary is, verb is, verb ing is dancing. Deep structure. Number 1, why does she wearing a red dress while dancing? Number 2, what kind of dance that the red dress girl dance to? Number 3, tree diagram. Stefano saw the Yehezkiela with the telescope. Sentence consists of NP and VP. NP consists of N bar. N bar is Stefano. VP consists of VP, verb, NP, PP. Verb is so. NP consists of determiner and noun. Determinant is the, noun is Yehezkiela. PP consists of prepositional, NP. Prepositional is with. NP consists of determiner and noun. Determiner is the, noun is telescope. The deep structure is number 1, the Yehezkiela was seen by Stefano with the telescope. Number 2, what is the purposes of Stefano saw the Yehezkiela using the telescope? Number 4, tree diagram. She believes that Earth is round. Sentence consists of NP and is P. Tree diagram number 4. She believes that Earth is round. Sentence consists of NP and VP. NP consists of N bar and N bar is she. FPP consists of verb and NP. V is believe. NP consists of determinant demonstrate. NP and VP. The determinant demonstrate is that. NP consists of determiner demonstrate and noun. Determinant demonstrate is the, noun is Earth. VP consists of verb and adjective. Verb is, adjective is brown. The deep structure. Number 1. When does she believe her that the earth round? Number 2. Why does believe that the earth is round? Number 5. Tree diagram. The house where I grew up has been demolished. Sentence consists of NP and VP. NP consists of NP and relative adverbial. NP consists of determinant and noun. Determiner is the noun is house. Relative adverbial consists of sentence. Sentence consists of relative adverbial and PP. Relative adverbial is where. VP consists of subject, verb, prepositional. Subject is I, verb is grew, prepositional is up. VP consists of verb, auxiliary, and verb. Verb is has, auxiliary, been, verb is demolished. The deep structure. Number 1, when the house where I grew up being demolished. Number 2, how did they demolish the house where I grew up? This is the research. Thank you for hearing me. Maaf jika ada kesalahan kata atau kurang berkenan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.